Hi everyone, here we've got Redmi Note 10 Pro, and let me share with you how to activate the leveler on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can enter the settings which are in the right upper corner. So let's tap on this three bars icon and let's take a look at this option bar. I know that for the very first site you cannot see the straighten or the leveler option, but it is actually quite hidden. You have to tap on the small arrow next to the show grid lines. Let's tap on it, and as you can see here, we've got the straighten. So this is this device's name for the leveler. What's more, you cannot show the straighten without the grid lines. So if you want to turn on the straighten, just tap on it, and since it is activated, since it is highlighted, you can go back to the camera. And as you can see here, we've got this yellow line, and it will show us the position of the device. So let me try to show you. And as you can see, if I will rotate the picture, the line will also rotate according to the position of my device. So it will just show you how in which position you are actually, and it will of course show you if you are perfectly straight by making this line yellow. So this is how to show the straighten, and if you'd like to turn it off, just go back to the settings, tap on the small arrow and tap on the straighten again, and right now it is deactivated. And if you want to, just turn off the grid lines also. So actually that's all. This is how to activate the leveler in your Redmi Note 10 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.